How to disable or enable YouTube restricted mode on Android or iOS. Restricted mode is an optional setting that you can use on YouTube. This feature can help screen out potentially mature content that you or others using your devices may prefer not to view. When restricted mode is turned on, you can't view comments on the videos you watch. Open the YouTube application. Sign into your account if you haven't already. At the top right, tap your profile photo, tap Settings and then General. Scroll through the list of settings until you see the setting we want. Turn on or off restricted mode. Thank you for watching.